जो है अलबेला मदनैनो वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है। जो है अलबेला मदनैनो वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है।
The soul is neither born and nor does it die. Good morning, everyone. Today we are here to recite the poem by poet William Blake, The Tiger. In the poem, the tiger refers to a fearless creature. It also stands for the ability of God to create fearsome and dangerous things. So let's enjoy the poem.
Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. What immortal hand or eye could frame that fearful symmetry? Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night.
What distant leaves or sky? In what distant leaves or sky? Burn the fire of thine eye. On what wings there he aspire? What the hand there frees the fire?
Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night.
And what shoulders and what heart? And what shoulders and what heart? Good is the seal of thy heart. And when thy heart begins to beat, what that head and what that feet?
Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. What the hammer, what the chain, what the hammer, what the chain. In what furnace was thy brain? What the anvil, what that grasp? There its deadly terrors clasp. Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. When the stars threw down their spears, when the stars threw down their spears, and watered heaven with their tears, did he smile his work to see? Did he who make lamp make thee? Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night. Tiger, tiger, wonderful cemetery?
The idea behind this poem was to show the supremacy of Almighty who had made the lamb, who is the most innocent creature as well as a tiger, to show the power and fearlessness.
The tiger symbolizes the strength and courage, but they are getting lesser in numbers. It's our duty to conserve the tigers. Save tiger, save earth. Thank you.
The Tiger is a poem about the nature of creation and the relationship between the creator and the created.
The poem explores
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड बाज चंद की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड बाज चंद की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो मान मान शान या की जान का उदान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड बाज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो मान शान या के जान का उदान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड शक्तिमान है मन करे सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है विश्व की पुकार है ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का भीड़ हो तो लड़ सका है वही तो महान है जीत की हवस नहीं किसी पे कोई वश नहीं क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों को मार दो मौतवंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड बाज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो मानवान शान या की जान का उदान आज एक धनुष के बाण में उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड शौर्य का चुनाव या कि हार का वो भाव तुम ये सोच लो वो दया का भाव या कि शौर्य का चुनाव या कि हार का वो भाव तुम ये सोच लो या कि पूरे भाल पर जला रहे विजय का लाल लाल ये गुलाल तुम ये सोच लो रंग केसरी हो या मृदंग केसरी हो या कि केसरी हो ताल तुम ये सोच लो कवि की कल्पना में जिंदगी हो प्रेम गीत उस कवि को आज तुम नकार दो भीगती मसों में आज फूलती रगों में आज आग की लपट का तुम बघार दो
see you. I wonder why. The smoke that makes my chest so tight for every breath I must fight. Once upon a time, a beautiful planet was created. People were living with harmony in nature. The air was clean, the water was pure, and the forests were full of. But suddenly, a huge change came. Comparing the Earth of 90s and the Earth of 20s, there is a huge difference, huh? I won't be able to explain it more. So let me introduce the Earth of 90s and the Earth of 20s.
Who is this old man coughing around here?
Oh, hello. I am the Earth of 20s, the smartest.
You call it smartness? Covered with smoke, pollution and harmful gases. Look at me. I am so green with pure atmosphere and happiness all around.
Huh? You don't believe me? Come, I will show you.
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir, the forest land is cleared. Sir, you know how much hard work I have put into this project. I will get my profit now.
Yes, you will get your profit for sure.
While visiting the site, the boss was really happy, but he didn't know about the consequences.
Can you see the development in me? I am so progressive.
Do you think this is progressive? Ha ha ha. It's just destructive. You showed me the present. Now let me show you your future.
I am not able to breathe, Mama. I don't feel like alive.
Don't say like this, right? I myself feel helpless. The past generation has never thought about the future. We don't have clean air to breathe. We also don't have clean water to drink. There are several causes contributing water scarcity in India. Rapid urbanization and industrialization have led to increase the pollution of water.
Mama, the world is a water crisis. What can we do to save our precious earth and water?
We can do a lot to save our precious earth and water. Come, let me show you.
Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. We all want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. We all want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Oh God, it's raining. Uncle, we all want to play, but this rain is spoiling our plan of today. Our plan of today. Our plan of today. What, Uncle? This world has so much of water that can never be finished. Never be finished. Never be finished.
We are witnessing many places where people are waiting in lines for one bucket of water. The water scarcity is leading to dried fields and death of animals. If this continued this such a way, then the day is not far when the life on earth will become miserable. Thank you. Uncle, how can we stop the water?
How can we stop? How can we stop? Stop it quickly! Stop it quickly! Rain, rain, come this way. We will play some other day. Rain, rain, come this way. We will play some other day. Rain, rain, come this way. We will play some other day. Rain, rain, come this way. We will play some other day. Oh God, the water is so cool. Oh God, this man is taking bath here and I am getting late for my work. I also have to rush for my interview. Why doesn't anybody say anything to this man? Excuse me, sir, why don't you fill a bucket and take a bath inside? You're wasting so much time and water also. This is not a personal shower for anyone. It is a government provided tap water. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, I understand.
Always use bucket and mug while taking a bath.
Okay, I will turn on the motor.
Uncle, what are you doing?
Who are you? And why are you saying this to me? Can't you see I'm washing my motorcycle?
But you can wash it by using less water. Why are you wasting water by using pipe?
This is my motor. Now if I wash it over here or on the road, what have you got to do with it? I'll just get lost on it.
No, this is wrong. If someone is giving you advice to save water, you should not be aggressive. You should listen him and speak politely. Do you understand?
Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Turn off the taps while soaping and scrubbing the dishes to save water.
We should fix leaking taps, use buckets and mugs for washing and bathing.
Rain, come this way. We will play some other